Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to install Better Minecraft mod pack. In this video, we will be needing a certain tool which is called CurseForge. So let's do this and just rush right into it. So the first thing is to go ahead and search for CurseForge, and from here we will be needing this website as you can see, and then we will go here and click on Get First for CurseForge app. Here I'm gonna click in download standalone, and as you can see CurseForge installer has been downloaded. Click on yes, and here they will be taking us to this page. Now we simply have to wait a little bit, and the download or the installation process should be smooth and easy. So let me just show you right how it should be done. So it has been installed successfully, and now if you didn't find it here or anywhere else, you're simply gonna be searching for it. Now it should be open something like this for you. Now it is installing it, so let's wait a little bit, and here it is. So we can click here and open CurseForge, and then it should be looking something like this. Now what you should do is to simply wait for the page to load, click on continue, and continue as a guest account, then choose Minecraft. From here go ahead and choose use CurseForge default modern folder, and then click on continue. Now what you should do is to simply click here to discover, or simply click on browse. So let's go here and search for mod packs, and I'm going to search here for Better Minecraft. So let's search for Better and see if we will have anything else. So here it is, Better MC. I think the latest version is 5, so let's go ahead and click on install. Now as you can see, downloading Better MC, it should be taking a little bit of time since the files can be big a lot sometimes, and they should be having a lot of megabytes. So let's just wait a few seconds and it should be ready to go. So let's wait a little bit. As you can see, 63, 65, and we simply have to wait until every single mode is finally installed. So here we go. Now guys, as you can see, it is downloaded, and all left to be done is to simply click on play and Minecraft should be launching for you. That was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.